Hello friends, in last lecture we see the theorem, the group Zm cross Zn is isomorphic to Zmn if and only if M and N are relatively prime. Now, corollary. The group Cartesian products are varies from 1 to n. Gi is cyclic and isomorphic to Z M1 Mn the number Mr are varies from 1 to n are such that the GCD of any two of them is 1. That means each pair is relatively prime. Like this. Here, if Z3 cross Z5 cross Z7 it is cyclic and it is isomorphic to isomorphic to 10 Z105. Now, one example here. If n is written as a product of, if n is written as a product of powers of distinct prime numbers as in n is equal to P1 raised to n1, okay, into P2 raised to n2 and so on, PR raised to nr, like this. N can be written as a product of prime numbers. Then Zn is isomorphic to Z P1 raised to n1 cross Z P2 raised to n2 cross, like this, cross Z Pn PR raised to nr. For example, here in particular Z72 is isomorphic to here Z2 cube cross Z3 square. That means it is isomorphic to Z8 cross Z9. It is isomorphic to Z8 cross Z9. Now, one definition here. Definition. Least common multiple of R1, R2, Rn. Least common multiple is the smallest positive integer. Is the smallest positive integer that is multiple of each Ri. That is multiple of each Ri. I varies from 1 to up to n. And it aberration is least common multiple aberration of this is LCM. LCM. Okay. Now one theorem here. Let A1, A2 n tuples. This is belongs to direct products of 1 to n. G is AR is a finite order GI. Then order of A1, A2, AN. Order of, okay, this element in I varies from 1 to n GI is equal to the LCM of the Ri. Here, order of A1 is R1 in G1, order of A2 is R2 in G2, and so on. Order of AN is Rn in Gn. Then, order of this n tuple A1, A2, An, these elements is LCM of R1, R2, Rn. LCM of R1, R2. Here, for a power okay, here for a power of A1, A2, An gives E1, E2, En. E1 is an identity of G1, E2 is an identity of G2, like this. The power must be simultaneously, the power must be simultaneously R1 multiple of R1, so that this power yields of the first component A1 will yield E1, a multiple of R2 so that second component, power of the second component A2 will yield E2 and so on. Similarly, a multiple of R3 so that power of A3 will yield E3 and like this. That means power of A1, A2, AN gives E1, E2, En. The power must be in the multiple of R1, R2, Rn. R1, R2, Rn. Okay. Now, example here. Find the order of 8, 4, 10. Z12 cross Z16 cross Z24 like this. First, find order of 8 in Z12, order of 4 in Z16, order of 10 in Z24, and LCM of these orders, is equal to order of these elements. Okay, see here. We know from subgroups, properties of subgroups. Here, GCD of 8 and 12 is equal to 4. Okay. Order of here 8 is equal to 12 by 4. This is 3 in Z12. That means order of 8 is 3 in Z12. Similarly, GCD of 4 and 60 is 4. GCD of 4 and 60 is 4. Here, order of 4 is equal to order of group 60 divided by 4 is 15 in Z60, and GCD of 10 and 24 is 2. GCD of 10 and 24 is 2. Order of 10 is equal to 24 by the GCD to 12 in Z24. Here order of 8 is 3. Order of 8 is 3. Order of 4 is 15. Order of 10 is 12 in respective groups. Then LCM of here, LCM of 3 50 and 12 is here common factor, here 3, 3, 3. Okay. Then if it 3, here 3 into 5, here 3 into 2 into, okay. Now this 3, then 5 and 4 is 60. This is LCM is 60, and therefore order of here 8, 4, 10 is 16 in Z12 cross Z16 cross Z24 in this group. Now, one theorem, only statement. Fundamental theorem of finitely generated abelian group. Fundamental theorem. Finitely generated abelian group. Groups. Here, every finitely generated abelian group G, every finitely group G is isomorphic to direct product of cyclic group, is isomorphic to direct product of cyclic group, direct product of, in the form here Z P1 R1 cross Z P2 R2 and so on, Z Pn Rn cross Z cross last Z, like this, Z cross Z, where Pi are primes, where Pi are primes, not necessarily distinct, and R1 or Ri are integers. Every finite generated abelian group G is isomorphic to this form, isomorphic to product of direct product of cyclic group of the form. Now here one using this theorem example, find all abelian groups. Example, find all abelian groups up to isomorphic of order up to isomorphy of order 360. Here 360 can be written 2 cube into 3 square into 5. Possibilities of isomorphic groups. Possibility of isomorphic groups are first, here Z2 cross J2 cross J2 cross Z3 cross Z3 cross Z5. Second, here if we take J2 cross J2 Z cross Z4 cross Z3 cross Z3 cross Z5. Now third isomorphic possibility, J2 cross Z4 cross Z9 cross Z5. Here J2 cross J2 cross J2 cross J9 cross Z5. Another here Z8 cross J3 cross J3 cross Z5, and last possibility Z8 cross Z9 cross Z5. These are possibilities. These groups are isomorphic to a cyclic group of order 360. Cyclic group of order 360. Now, here one small theorem. If m is a square free integer, if m is square free integer, that means square free means m is not divisible by square of any prime number. M is not divisible by square of any number. Okay? M is a square free integer, that is m is not, that is m is not divisible by square of any prime. And every abelian group of order m is cyclic. Then every abelian group of order m is cyclic. M is cyclic. Here G is flat. G is abelian group of order m. Now, by above theorem, G is isomorphic to Z P1 raised to R1 cross Z P2 raised to R2 and so on. Z Pn Rn, where m is equal to P1 raised to R1 P2 raised to R2, Pn raised to Rn. But here m is square free. But m is square free. And so here Ri must be equal to 1. Here we must have Ri is equal to 1 and all Pi are distinct. If this P1 and P2 not distinct, if P1 is equal to P2 and this is equal to P, that means m is divisible by P square. That means m is not a square free. M is not a, so this PIR must be distinct, and therefore then by corollary G is isomorphic to okay, Z P1 P2 Pn, and this group is cyclic, so G must be cyclic. So G is cyclic. So G is cyclic. Okay. We will stop here. Thank you.